So if you're looking to do vibration analysis and you want to continuously monitor that spindle, that's something we can offer for you. If you're looking for crash detection, something that'll shut off your spindle literally within 1 millisecond of a crash, we offer that through Balance Systems and a software and hardware product called Be Safe. If you guys are looking to do wireless vibration to monitor your spindles on route based, that's something we can offer. Or if you want us to hardwire and permanently mount wireless accelerometers on your machine tools with batteries up to 4 years, that's something else we can offer. So if you're talking vibration analysis, you're talking to preventative maintenance on your spindles, you're talking about balancing, you're talking about monitoring, whether it's continuous, whether it's hardwired, whether it's wireless, we can offer all these products and service to you and a lot more. So reach out, love to hear from you, love to travel, fly out, meet with you anywhere in the country, and I look forward to hearing from you guys.